Get ready to put your green thumb to good use, because we're showing you some all-natural beauty hacks you can pluck straight from the garden. Skin feeling dull? Bring in the snails. First, mist the snails with water. Then let them crawl over your face for 20 minutes. I don't know how she kept still. That looks so ticklish. Thank your slimy friends. You're on your way to glowy skin. Looking for an all-natural scent? Why not make your own? Place a cheesecloth in a jar. Add your favorite smelling flower petals and add water. Let it soak for 2 weeks. Remove and gently squeeze the cheesecloth. You have your very own natural floral perfume. Want to brighten up those armpits? Try this gentle underarm mask. Grab a blender, add 1 cooked potato, half a lemon squeeze, and blend until smooth. Apply the mix to your underarms and wait 10 minutes. Scrape off the mess. And boom! Your pits are ready for that strapless dress. Need to give your toes some TLC? Go for a spa-worthy foot soak. In a bowl, add 3 tablespoons of red clay, 3 tablespoons of green clay, 3 tablespoons of white clay, and some water. Mix it up and soak your feet in it for 20 minutes. Now you're starting off on the right foot. Struggling with oily skin? Fight shine with a natural face mask. Soak 3 sheets of gelatin in cold water and wait 10 minutes. Then microwave for 30 seconds. Mix the gelatin until it's dissolved into liquid. Then add green cosmetic powder, 2 ounces of blended aloe vera, and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Mix well and let it cool. Apply the mask to your skin. And wait about 10 minutes. Wipe it off to reveal clean-looking skin. Bye-bye.